super excited. I've been waiting for this to come in. It's my rug hooking little kit. Everything you need except for the hoop or the frame. How sweet is that? It's going to be an 8x8 and a beautiful design by H. Perry. Loopbyloopstudio.com, and super excited to get started. I do have a hoop to pull it tight so I can start working on it. I am so excited to try this hooking tool. I'm not sure what these are yet. I'll find out. And look at the beautiful pre-cut wool strips that it comes with. Okay, so I've got to pull this through somehow. First time I'm doing this. Get the hang of it. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so, oh, I lost it. Okay. There. Woohoo! Don't want to make it too high, like a quarter of an inch it says. And then I have to go like 2 or 3 holes down for the next one. Okay, so one, let's look around here. Cool. All right. I think I'm getting the hang of it. Sort of. Anyway, that's my first loop ever. Okay, here we are a week later. Made some progress, slow progress, and I have to say it's been fun. I'm enjoying it very much. Yes, so this is the thing about the hooks. These hooks, this is the one that came with the kit. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but this is actually not a traditional primitive rug hook. I've been told it is a crochet hook. So it works. It's not ideal. And then I ended up ordering this other one, which is, you know, usable, not ideal. So I ended up having to order another hook. That's coming in, which is a true primitive rug hook. Anyway,